Hello everyone and welcome to this short explainer video by Drug Law India. I'm Chirag Vora and in today's lecture we'll deep dive into a Latin phrase Dominus Litis. So let's begin. Dominus Litis, simply put, it means master of the suit. Yes, Dominus Litis means master of the suit. Who is the master of the suit? The plaintiff is the master of the suit. In civil law, the plaintiff has got three inherent rights. Right number one, he can sue whoever he wants to sue for whatever cause of action he wants, and he can seek whatever relief he wants. So, what is the legal significance of this? This principle emphasizes autonomy and strategic control of the plaintiff over the entire suit. For more such informative and insightful videos, subscribe to Drug Law India and visit our website druglawindia.com.